Morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Today we are going to learn Chapter 5 Hungry Dog and Hungry Man. Let us see what is hungry dog and a hungry man. All of you open your textbook, page number 18, 18, and look at book and listen to me carefully. There was a street dog. It was very hungry. It went west searching for food. After searching for food at several places, it found some slice of bread in a corner. It hurriedly ate up everything. This is known as animals internet. It is known as animal intranet. Intranet means dog hurriedly ate up everything. They are very fast, speedily they are eating the what we are seeing the food and all. They will eat very hurriedly. It is known as animal intranet. This is not a story of only one dog. All dogs do the same thing when they are hungry. When the dogs hungry, they will see anything, they will eat very hurriedly. Okay, understood? Okay, then next paragraph. Now think about a man. We have to think ourselves. Who is hungry? He also looks for food. When he finds some food, what will he do? Will he eat it? No, because the food he sees may be someone else, or it might be stray food. So he will not eat any food that he sees. He will eat it only if the food is his. This is known as human reasoning. The human beings, they know the thing and they can the human beings have the ability to think. These animals are not, they have no self-control. They don't have the ability to think and all. This man, they will think, then we will not eat like this the dirty food and all. We will not eat somebody else, maybe that also we did not be our own food only we are eating. Okay. Now suppose you are hungry and you see the snack box of your friend in the classroom. If you are seeing your friend snacks box, you did not, what will do? What will you do? Will you open it and eat the snacks? No, you will not. You will not eat. That we know that is somebody's. No, you will not eat. Why? Because you know that it is not yours. It is not ours, that we will not eat. But if a hungry dog sees the snack, it will eat it. It will eat it. Page number 19, take and look at the paragraph. What it is, hungry dog sees the food, snack, anything, it will eat it. Why is there a difference between man and dog? What is the difference between man and dog? Let us see. Because a man who knows what it is wrong and right. What is wrong and right, he knows. A dog A dog does not know what is right and what is wrong. The animal I told before also that dog not ability to think, and only man only can ability to think and do. A dog does not know what is right and what is wrong. A man can think and a dog cannot. It cannot understand. A man can understand what we go to school, we study, we can study and we can go speak, think. We all the abilities have the human beings. The animals, they don't have the ability to think and speak, and what is wrong and right they don't know. Animals cannot study also. So they can have a school. The animals don't have any schools. The main difference between man and animals is that man can think. What is the difference between the difference between man and animal? It is that man can think, understand and reason. Animals do not have that ability. If man does not think, he also will be like the animals. If the man is not thinking that way, that will hold the behave like the animals. The hungry dog could not control itself. The hungry dog could not control himself. The hungry dog could not control itself. When it saw a food, the man could control himself. The hungry dog could not control itself. When it saw food, the man could control himself. This is why we don't eat others' snacks. That is why we are not eating others' snacks. We know that is not ours, it is somebody's. We all make a lot of noise in the recess time or during our play. When we make noise recess time and play time, we all make a lot of noise in the recess time or during our play, but we don't make noise when we are in the class. Yes, when we are, this is classroom, we don't make their noise there. Then when we will make noise during the recess time and play time, but we don't make noise when we are in the classroom, because we can control ourselves. We can the ability to control ourselves. If a cat comes to a classroom, it may disturb the class with its moving. Any cat come in our classroom, they will disturb the class. Then another paragraph, as we are human beings, we must learn to control ourselves. We are human beings, we have to learn to control ourselves. Some children get very angry. Some are very angry when their parents do not give them what they ask for. Parents are not asking that time, not giving. They are too much angry with their parents. They argue with others and sometimes even shout with others. They also throw things at others. They do these things because they do not have control over themselves. With these things, they cannot control themselves. They will say bad words to others, argue with others, and with angry, all these things they will do. They do these things because they do not have a control over themselves. because they do these things. They don't have control over these things, over themselves. They don't have control themselves. That's why we if we cannot control ourselves, we will be like animals. If we cannot control ourselves, we also like animals. We must learn to behave nicely with others. We should respect our elders, especially our parents and teachers. We must obey them. We must learn to behave nicely with others. We should respect our elders, especially our parents and teachers. We must obey them. We should not tell lies. We should not tell lies. And we should respect our elders, especially parents and teachers. Children, without self-control, quarrel with others. What will happen? Children, without self-control, quarrel with others. They use bad words and foul language. Foul language means bad language and all they are using. Then they don't have any self-control. With those who don't self-control, they will say bad words to others, quarrel with others, and argue with others. All these things they will do. They use bad words and foul language. They make fun of poor people and hurt animals. What all things they are making? They make fun of poor people and hurt animals. These words show that they do not have self-control. All these things what that we can understand. They don't have any self-control. Remember that people without self-control are no better than animals. Remember that, or that people without self-control, self-control are no better than animals. Okay. Then you have to remember. Let us remember, people without self-control are no better than animals. What understood? All of you understood this lesson? What understood? Say. What do you understood to say? Can you say? Okay, come on. A street law or any law of animals, they don't have any self-control. What is the difference man and animal? Yes, man can think and reasonable and understand what all things we cannot. By the animals, they don't have any school and they are not going to school, and they don't have ability to think and understand and reason. All these things are only human beings only have these think, reason and understand. Okay, very good. Then what you understood? If you don't have any self-control, we are like animal solely. Okay, very good. That much you have to understand. We have to obey our parents and respect our teachers and elders, parents. Okay, very good. Then okay, very good. Remember that people without self-control are no better than animals. Okay, very good. All of you understood this lesson, I hope. Then all of you read and study this lesson. Then next, last chapter, 4th chapter question answer also I will send in PDF. Then you have to write and study in your notebook, and okay, that is homework. Then all of you read the lesson and understand it. Okay, thank you, children.